Wow!
Wow, galing-galing naman ni Juliana. Mabait at talinong bata. Congratulations, Richard and Lucy, and of course, Juliana. Ito po mga kachika ang pinost ni Richard Gomez sa kanyang IG account. Nag-graduate na ang kanyang unika iha na si Juliana Gomez, ang anak nila ni Lucy Torres. Sabi nga ni Richard Gomez sa kanyang IG, "I vividly remember your first day in school. As a young child, I drove you to your school. Near the house, you were in a white shirt and jeans and rough shoes. Look at you now, all grown up and college graduate in public administration at the UP Diliman and a cum laude. Congratulations, Dai. Mom and I are so proud of you." Mom was in tears going up the stage. My eyes were in tears too when I went back to my seats as things sank into my head and realized how time flies so fast. Go on and make things better and beautiful.